Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Monday, the 20th of October. This is your daily recap. I hope you all had a good day trading. SPY is a stone's throws from all-time high, and let's talk about this some more. We're looking at this. The volume today is just low. Yep, there's been problems. AWS has problems all day. Robinhood's been down for most all day. Some of the other brokers have been having problems. A lot of the tools people use have been down. A lot of little things going on here right now. But overall, it was a very bullish day here in the market. And there were clues. We talked about this, so let's go over this again. If you looked at the ES candle on Friday, it told a different story than the SPY. The SPY was an inside day, innocuous. Look at this reversal candle on the ES, and here's your follow through today. The Qs just shy of the all-time high. The IWM just shy of it as well. The Dow also. SMH has put a new all-time high in today. Micron before it reversed, new all-time high up there. AMD said, hey, don't forget about me, new all-time high. NVIDIA continues to lounge out here, needs to break 185, but overall looking good. What else out there today? We're going to come back to Apple. BABA, another name that gave you clues. Maybe this was over. Look at the size of this move in BABA today. Trump has completely reversed course on China. 2 Fridays ago, he was doom and gloom. And this past Friday and again today, everything's good. We're all good to go. They're our friends. They're respectful of us. We can't have 100% tariff. You know, change the tune. The market's reacting. What else we got out there? Let's talk about the VIX. The VIX also. First in the room called this out. Look at the size of this candle, this big down move, follow through today, basically saying this is over, back in the Bollinger Bands, looks fine. Let's talk big cap tech. Microsoft, nice move today trying to break up. Meta also trying to break out. It's at a breakout point. So this will be on our radar for tomorrow, guys, right? Meta sitting here at a breakout point. Can it get above there? We'll be watching to see if that one can get out of there looking pretty good. Google put in another all-time high today. Hood, which looked weak over the weekend, reversal on Friday, nice move back up here, back to 140. Coin had a nice day with crypto, not holding great, but up nicely here. Overall looking good. Not everything was great. Amazon today was weak, but managed to bounce back to the 8 day. Tesla had earnings on Wednesday up, needs to break to 450 now. Um, Palantir still needs to break 185, holding serve. Oracle got smacked down. Salesforce with a nice rebound day. We'll see if this one can break out. Still in that trade there. What else, guys? We should probably talk about one other name out here. Well, SMCI. Yep, this one I took a small loss on it. SMCI, just rumors that they got a big contract from XAI, and it popped and not really holding all that well. It happens. And then there was Apple. Let's talk about Apple. Apple gave clues on Friday. It was stronger than the markets, closed above the break range. Ready on my radar. I did a chart on it yesterday for you guys. Sitting here today, we had three different pieces of news that basically said Apple was in play and Apple was ready to run. You had an upgrade out there. You had a put on a tactical list at Evercore, and you had report that their iPhone sales in the United States and China were for the 17 were 14% of ahead of where they were on the 16. So you have a pop and a push up to a new all-time high today. Traded this multiple times back in some calls to hold overnight into December 270s. Nice move here. We also talked about watching the banks, and the banks said, we're okay. Nice recovery there in the banks, even the KRE pushing back up. The banks that had problems, Zion's taking most of that back. This seems to be very isolated, this problem. So with that said, we go into tomorrow. We're going to get earnings tomorrow in the morning. You got Coke, Lockheed Martin, GE, 3M, GM. Tomorrow night, Netflix, Intuit, Texas Instruments, and Wednesday, obviously, big one after hours with Tesla and IBM and Lam Research. Like to join us, link in the description. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you guys bright and early in the AM.